Starting around the 19th of June 2023, Nexo really is exchanging at 61 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.72% in every practical cent. Most recent 60 minutes, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo generally has an all-out market cap of $340,644,237 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,747,761, or so they for the most part thought. This in every way that really matters makes Nexo sort of positioning at 91 in the digital money market amazingly. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo for the most part be worth in 2023 amazingly? Is Nexo a very wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Will Nexo cost truly outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in a fundamentally significant manner? These generally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future. Nexo value expectation 2023 as per the Nexo estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost fundamentally is supposed to generally cross an essentially normal value level of 76 cents. The normal least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to generally be 73 cents in an especially large manner. Besides, Nexo can in every practical sense arrive at an extremely greatest value level of 85 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Nexo cost in every way that really matters is figured to by and large arrive at in a real sense the most minimal cost of 57 cents, which by and large is very huge. The Nexo cost could sort of arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 65 cents with the typical expected cost around 63 cents. Beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo value estimate July 2023. The normal cost of Nexo could sort of go to 66 cents toward the finish of July 2023, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Nexo could in every practical sense be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of 68 cents with the very least expected cost of 64 cents, which really is very huge. Nexo value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Nexo cost especially is figured to in a real sense arrive at a least cost of 65 cents, showing how these generally are our Nexo cost forecasts for Nexo's future in a genuinely huge manner. The Nexo cost could basically arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of 70 cents with the very normal expected cost around 68 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Nexo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo is determined to especially be at around a truly least worth of 67 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Nexo value worth can fundamentally arrive at a by and large limit of 74 cents with the especially normal exchanging worth of 70 cents in USD in an unobtrusive way. Nexo value expectation October 2023. Nexo value sort of is supposed to reach between 69 cents to 77 cents in October 2023 while the in every way that really matters. Normal cost of Nexo for the October in a real sense stays around 72 cents. Nexo value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Nexo could explicitly stretch around 81 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in November 2023 really is 71 cents with an extremely normal cost of 74 cents. Nexo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo really is estimated to generally be at around an extremely least worth of 73 cents and in an every practical sense significant way. The Nexo value worth can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of 85 cents with the truly normal exchanging worth of 76 cents in USD, which in a real sense is very huge. Nexo in every practical sense. Past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been in a real sense diminished by 0.5% in its especially current worth, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Assuming we think about the kind of current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap explicitly is additionally down, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo explicitly is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, exhibiting that besides Nexo can arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 85 cents in a genuinely enormous manner. The Nexo explicitly is down to nearly 0.62% in the truly most recent 7 days, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for exceptionally beyond couple of days. The coin could explicitly have areas of strength for commonly, however. We don't in a real sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in truly momentary in a significant manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of any XO in every practical sense diminished by 15.444%, disposing of an incredible fundamentally normal amount of 11 cents from its extremely current worth, which explicitly shows that besides any XO can in a real sense arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 85 cents. Or so they basically thought. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an especially decent certainly purchase a valuable open door for certainly fast venture, which generally shows that the NEXO fundamentally is down to nearly 0.62% in the especially most recent 7 days in a quite enormous manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 27.75%, and the cost basically flowed from a truly least sort of typical cost of 79 cents to fundamentally most extreme by and large normal cost of 86 cents, but truly beyond 90 days, showing the way that the NEXO cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest cost of 65 cents with the typical expected cost around 63 cents in a kind of significant manner. Nexo sort of is somewhere near 17.80% with the fundamentally most extreme by and large normal cost of the coin essentially was around 67 cents and the base genuinely normal cost of in every way that really matters was around 65 cents and especially beyond 4 months in a kind of huge manner. Nexo Value Estimate 2023 FAQs. What will generally be Nexo certainly worth in 2023? The NEXO cost truly is estimated to truly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of 85 cents within every way that really matters. Least cost of 73 cents toward the finish of 2023. Especially further appearance how the NEXO cost truly is determined to arrive at a by and large greatest degree of 85 cents with kind of least cost of 73 cents toward the finish of 2023. Or so they in a real sense thought. Does Nexo most certainly have a future, which certainly is very critical? As far as value, Nexo basically has an extraordinary genuinely potential to really arrive at new levels. So will NEXO cost in every practical sense outperform its unsurpassed high, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? It in a real sense is conjecture that NEXO will increment in esteem, which all things considered, is very critical, as per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Nexo can in every practical sense hit the especially the greatest cost of $27.39 till 2030. So the coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for genuinely past essentially couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource and certainly transient in an unpretentious manner. Is Nexo especially worth purchasing in 2023? Which by and large is very critical. Nexo's worth in a real sense is supposed to especially keep on extending, as lack will in general essentially support cost rise. Further appearance how these for the most part are our Nexo cost expectations for NEXO as future in a fundamentally significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, note, there in every practical sense is a gamble to any venture, demonstrating the way that the Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at a really limit of 85 cents with the very normal exchanging worth of 76 cents in USD, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Very put resources into what